Hey, what's up guys? This is Rail Chief here and welcome back to my channel. As always, my name is Mike and we have a really great show for you today as always. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I hope you guys all had a really great weekend this week as well as a really great Mother's Day yesterday. And me and my dad also had a really great time on Saturday as well because we actually had the opportunity to go to the Roxana Firehouse in Fenwick, Delaware this weekend. And we actually went to a really nice train show over at the Firehouse, and it was actually a lot of fun. And it was a really good experience, too. Although it might not be as big like the Greenberg shows are in like New Jersey or Virginia or Maryland, it was still a really fun experience at the same time. And we also got to meet a whole lot of collectors and a really nice group of people, and really trusting and really reliable when it comes to collecting and negotiating. And overall, just a really great experience. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video today. So I'm going to let the video do most of the talking here. But until the meantime, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell down below for any other projects that I upload. Now, me and my dad did buy a couple of new purchases over at the show on Saturday, but I won't be sharing that with you guys until my next video. So I hope you all will enjoy this little slideshow and little movie that I put together of us at the train show this Saturday. But until next time, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next episode. Thanks again, and take care. Must be packed inside.
Pedestrian crossing.
Oh, it's very nice. I really like that.
What did you make this up? I don't know. Maybe that might be homemade. Somebody might have made that.
Very nice structure.
There's your firehouse.
Take a half hour to go around.
Could you run your trains on this train?
Yeah.
And it's the same with these.
the satless track, I think.
What's that?
I think this is satless track.
Oh, yeah.
That's an American Flyer bridge right there.
What's that?
That's an American Flyer. That's an American Flyer bridge, I think.
Oh, yeah?
That's homemade.
Yeah, I was going to say, it looks like an erector set.
I think it is an erector set.
Let's go see what they're selling down here.
Anything you need?
Just looking.
Well, make us an offer. You ready, Jimmy?
Great Northern.
Yeah, these two things you
I think it's 25 they want for that.
You got Santa Fe there.
Oh, yeah.
What was the price on it? Offer me half the price. 25. How about 15?
We'll think about it.
Okay. What's that one?
Santa Fe Woodside Reefer.
What's the price on it? 25?
Yeah.
15. Two of them for 30. Can't beat that one still. Probably not even used. These are all donated to us.
All right, you know what? We're going to walk around because we just came in here. We'll walk
Okay.
around, all right?
Yeah,
We'll be back.
Okay, nobody's gonna buy it.
No, you never know.
You never know.
Joe stuff over here. Milwaukee Road.
Is that plastic or metal?
That's plastic, I think.
Yep.
It's really too bad because I always thought these were actually really nice passenger cars.
Metal trucks. It's a nice piece.
Metal couplers.
That's why I'm showing you the spring trucks. See the springs?
Mm-hmm.
This is a nice piece.
Very nice piece. I actually like this myself.
Is this O gauge or bigger?
It's O gauge.
It is.
Low scale.
Let's keep an eye out for that one.
It's the operating barrel loader.
AT Santa Fe.
Is that a log car?
Is that a what?
A log car?
Might be.
Oh, I see the logs.
Dump car with 6 logs. CSX. It's a big box car.
It's very big. Nice show.
In GG1.
Ooh, that's a congressional set.
You have the brown one or the green one?
The green one. It's actually in very nice shape. I always like the color scheme of this GG1.
Little,
Yeah,
it's weird.
Looks like the color's starting to fade.
Yeah, it's like starting to corrode.
You got a Missouri Pacific over here. Oh, rusty.
You have that in green, don't you?
Yep.
And he usually has these things. Hospice is there.
Snickers.
Oh, that's funny.
They got the Snickers tray.
They got a car to go with it too.
They have a what?
They got a little race car to go with it.
Yeah.
I'll sell to you.
What kind of truck is that? Pennsylvania flat car with trailer.
Hi. Excuse me.
How you doing?
I'm good.
You interested in that?
I'm just taking a look around. Yeah. I'll be right there. They do? Oh yeah, they do. Maybe we can get some lunch here while we're looking around. Hello. Excuse me. There's another Missouri Pacific.
I didn't hear what you said.
There's another Missouri Pacific. Oh, it's the same one. Yeah.
There's plastic bill over there. There's the fire department that you always wanted.
Oh yeah. See if they got all the pieces.
Complete. Says complete. Are you going to have room for that or no?
Yeah,
You would have room for the.
definitely. Excuse me. It's okay. It's a nice gondola.
Yeah, that is. $36, $500.
Really? For that CSX?
Yeah. It's huge. I said to Craig, I said,
There's a marked Santa Fe there.
what, these?
Yep. That's tin plate though.
I was going to say, that's all metal.
Mm-hmm. So I hope you all have enjoyed today's little video that I put together, and like I said earlier on, me and my dad purchased a couple of new items from the train show on Saturday, but I won't be revealing what they are until my next episode is out. So thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you all in my next video.
See, over there you really can't test TMCC, because that's just conventional.
Jack Sparrow. Hello, Jackie.
All right, well, it's blinking again.
You hear like popping in